Whether you build stuff for a living or you just need something for your home projects around your house, this sturdy Makita drill is fantastic. Comes with like a battery that can be recharged and used in other Makita tools that you have around. They just pop in the back. So I have an extra battery around. I don't actually run out of battery power, so I don't know how long the battery actually lasts, but because I've never run into that problem, I guess. And I'm not doing this for a living, so I just have it around the house. But of course, it's got your 2-speed settings, as most drills do. But this actually also has 3 settings here. It's got the drill feature. Now, the drill feature is for, using drill bits, obviously, which basically utilizes the full power of the drill. So it just doesn't stop spinning. It just keeps going using the full power of the motor. The screw setting here, this is what utilizes these numbers. These numbers represent the torque of the bit, and so when you're using your drill, if it comes into resistance, you can set, like, 1 would be the lowest amount of resistance. So you can hold it with your hand. You can hold it with your hand, and it has no spin after basically there's a little bit of resistance. So if you're doing some really soft wood or drywall, you put this to lower so you don't sink your screw in too far. Then, of course, if you need, somewhere in the middle, of course, the higher you go, then the more resistance this is going to take before it stops spinning. So that's the screw feature. Now, the hammer feature on this drill is actually a feature that causes like an impact straight up and down. So it actually like pushes forward to kind of cause like a hammering motion as you're screwing. And so this is really good if you're doing something harder, like you wanted to drill into, like, say, concrete or something more difficult. This is going to cause that drill just to push down a little bit more. So if you're having trouble getting grip, like let's say you're literally drilling a hole into concrete, would be a great use for the hammer drill setting on this. But really any project that you need a bit more force to get it going in. Of course, you're forward backward. It does have a little light in the front. You can't really see it in the bright light here, but it's okay. And it coming just under 3 pounds. It's pretty lightweight in terms of drills. I would say that there's certainly some that are more lightweight than this, but when it comes to the brand, Makita brand, I mean, the reviews speak for themselves. You can't beat it. It comes with such high recommendations from everybody who's used Makita. This drill is absolutely a winner.